In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail desktop app in Windows 10. This handy trick will allow you to access your Gmail more quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. Go ahead and log into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Simply enter your credentials and ensure you have full access to your inbox. Having Gmail open is going to be crucial as this is where we'll be setting things up. Now that you're logged in and looking at your Gmail interface, direct your attention to the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking these dots will reveal a menu. This is the Chrome menu where you can access various settings and options for your browser. Once you've clicked on the three dots, you'll want to navigate to an option labeled Save and Share. As you hover over this option, more choices will appear, one of which is Create Shortcut. This is the feature we're interested in using today. By selecting Create Shortcut, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to personalize your new link. At this point, you can name your shortcut. For simplicity, I suggest naming it something straightforward like Gmail. This will make it immediately recognizable on your desktop. However, you're free to name it whatever you prefer. Remember, this name will help you swiftly identify what the shortcut is for when you see its icon. With your chosen name entered in the field, the next step is pretty straightforward. Just click on the Create button. By doing this, you are officially setting up the shortcut on your desktop. Now, if everything has gone smoothly, you should see an icon with the name you've chosen appearing right on your desktop screen. And just like that, you've successfully created a Gmail desktop app on Windows 10. This new desktop shortcut allows you to access your Gmail directly with a double click, saving you the need to open a browser and navigate a series of tabs. It's a small change, but one that can add a touch of efficiency to your daily routine. From now on, you can enjoy quicker access to your emails with just one click. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds a little more convenience to your daily workflow. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.